Hello, luxury lovers. Welcome to this year's most exclusive Korean real estate tour. I'm Jenny, and today we're diving deep into Larbra 27, located in Samsung-dong, Seoul's most unrivaled location. The last remaining two units of this 50 billion won architectural masterpiece that's redefining what luxury living means. Please watch until the end. What you're about to see will absolutely amaze you. Let's explore the highlight of Larbra 27, the Super Penthouse. Design inspired by Mies van der Rohe's Farnsworth House, a glass house with no frame glass that dissolves the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. Ramen structure without load-bearing walls allows for flexible layout changes. Three-sided openings offer simultaneous views of the city center and Han River. Feel the power of a 161 pyong or 532 square meters on a single floor. Experience the overwhelming sense of space. Without the inconvenience of multiple levels, we've created the equivalent of two luxury homes of 74 pyong, or 244.7 square meters each, all on one single floor. LDK living zone spans 22 meters in length, 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms as standard. 3.3 meter ceiling height, or 3.4 meters with coffered ceiling. 100% custom design allows conversion to 4-room layout. The interior features aquariums, pond gardens, and water curtains. It's like being in an art museum. The real highlight is the 75 pyong, or 248 square meter, rooftop infinity pool, Mediterranean infinity pool specialized design, Italian Tuscany marble construction, underwater LED, bubble jets, fountains, misting system, hot water supply via heat pump and gas boiler, floor heating, outdoor heaters, jacuzzi, pergola, fully automatic pool cover system. It feels like encountering a real resort in the heart of the city. What about Larbra 27 from an investment perspective? Competitive pricing at current presale rates. Expected premium appreciation in the future. The large 1,500 pyong site, that's 1.2 acres, will be difficult to find in the future. Resale is possible despite land transaction permit zone. High land ownership share. 42 pyong, or 138.8 square meters for terrace houses. In Samsung-dong, where development benefits will continue for 10 to 20 years, I don't think we'll see another opportunity like this. Located 400 meters from the 920,000 square meter International Exchange Complex, it's a location that secures both real estate defensive strength and development benefits simultaneously. They say it's a blessed site where mountains and water intertwine and embrace. Samsung-dong's prime location and future development benefits, stability of Hyundai E&C construction, exclusivity of 900 pyong, or 0.74 acres, community facilities, differentiated design of the Super Penthouse, reasonable presale price, and high scarcity. In conclusion, if you have sufficient financial resources and desire truly premium living, I believe Larbra 27 is a sufficiently attractive option. Especially the Super Penthouse's 2,634 square foot infinity pool. I really want to experience it once. What do you think? Please leave your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.